Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to change pattern in Vivo Y53s phone. Guys, you want to change your lock screen pattern, so guys you can change. In this video guys, I will show you how to change pattern. So let's see how to change pattern. First of all, open your phone setting. Guys, click on security setting. Click on screen lock guys. Draw your pattern. As click on pattern. So as new pattern guys, we will change into like this L. Next short L is confirm. So as you can see guys, pattern has changed. So I old pattern was guys Z, and guys now we have this L. So I hope friends you have understood how to change pattern in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.